Hey guys, welcome to yet another video, and in this video we will be going to discuss about the Gemini in Chrome extension. So the Gemini in Chrome extension is a very helpful AI assisted extension that helps you summarize, research and manage tasks within your browser. It uses the context of your open tabs to provide relevant answers. This eliminates the need to switch between different websites. So here we are in the official introduction page of the Gemini in Chrome extension, and it says Meet Gemini in Chrome AI assistants right in your browser. So upon scrolling down, you can see a demo like this, using which you can figure out how this will be going to work, and the integration between the Gemini and Google Chrome becomes much more smoother. So here is a workflow for the same intelligence that works with you right where you are, and from here you can easily do a variety of things which include analysis and other things like contextual assistance, auto browse, Gemini Live, cross app integration, on device AI and much more. So with the Gemini can summarize long articles, clarify concepts and answers questions based on the content of your active tabs. It can auto browse, which means you can assign multi-step tasks to Gemini, such as comparing products, finding travel deals, or making restaurant reservations. It can also engage in natural two-way voice conversations to brainstorm ideas or get help while browsing, and interact with Google Workspace tools like Calendar, YouTube, and Gmail directly from the Chrome sidebar. Apart from that, the Chrome includes a built-in Gemini Nano model for faster, private, on-device processing of tasks like summarization. So let us see how we can use it on our own PC. So for that, the first thing that we need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store, and once you are here, simply search for the extension and type in Gemini and hit the enter button. So if you can find here, you can use this option, that is Ask Gemini. But in your case, if you are already using Chrome, you do not need to add any another web's extension. You can simply click onto these three dots right here, and from here click onto this option just below print, which is Open Gemini in Chrome, and you can see that the extension is already loaded and you can easily log in using your Gemini credentials. Now from here, you let me open any particular website. So for example, let's say eBay. Now let me simply go to eBay, and once I'm in the eBay, you can see this is quite a page. Now from here, let me open any particular web page, let's say for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And now I'm again gonna open my Gemini extension. So I'm gonna click on three dots and click Open Gemini in Chrome. Now from here you can see that it has already detected the page I am on. So just to re-verify, I can simply ask it like, which phone am I looking at? And once I'll send it, you can also choose the mode, for example auto, fast thinking and pro as well. I usually keep it to auto as it automatically decides which model to choose depending upon the task that I have assigned. Now from here I will assign it some other work, like for example, let's say if it has the box contents, or maybe I was looking for some reviews. So what I can do is simply click onto the reviews option, and from here I'm gonna ask about the reviews. So what does the overall reviews say about this device? So as you can see, I have typed in the prompt and it is currently gathering details. This is taking bit time, so most probably it is using the pro model in this. And I think I accidentally disabled the trigger by clicking here, so we can write it again. Okay, let me try closing it again. Since it is also in a beta phase, it sometimes does stutter. I will try sending the message again. Okay, so here we are. I think it is still recalculating, and sometimes these broken features are what upsets me about the Google Gemini in Chrome. Nevertheless, we also have this go live option as well, using which you can simply talk to it and it will answer questions like the seller feedback or feedbacks related to any particular product. So you can do a lot of different things using this particular extension. Just you will need to make sure that you use it wisely, as it is still filled with bugs and glitches like we saw right now. And this is also pretty much the case with the Gemini environment itself. So that was all for the introduction for the Gemini in Chrome extension. Do make sure to check this out and let us know how well did it went for you. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.